So for this project, you will need a square piece of paper. I usually recommend to have color on both sides. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to create a cross by folding the paper in half. So let's do the first side. Okay, and just hold your fingers there, and with your other hand, press it down. You want to make sure each of the creases are very well folded. Unfold and do it on the other side. Okay, now we're going to do the same, but creating an X. Perfect. Now we're going to bring these sides in. So this is what we have. Now we're going to bring these sides to the middle. Repeat on the other side. Repeat on the other side. So we'll bring it up. Bring this side to this one.
This model requires a square sheet of paper with color on one side and white on the other. We're going to start by taking this left edge and folding it over to this right edge. Align the edges nicely and then make a crease. And then unfold. And now we're going to do the same thing this way. So let's take this top edge and fold it down to this bottom edge. Again, just align the edges nicely, then make a crease, and then unfold. Now we're going to take this bottom edge and we're going to fold it up to this horizontal crease. So just line it up nicely, and you can use that vertical crease as a reference as well for the middle. Then just make a crease. Now we're going to take this top layer and we're going to pull it up so that we can see the layer underneath. In the layer underneath, you'll notice that there's a colored triangle, and the triangle is a pocket, so you can put your finger inside it. And what we're going to do with that pocket is we're going to take this top layer and we're going to place it inside. So just pull the top layer down into the pocket and then just flatten it out so that it's inside the pocket nicely. And it will end up looking like this. Now we're going to take these two top corners and we're going to fold them down. So let's start with this top left corner and we're going to bring it down so that this top edge lines up with this edge here. So we'll just align the edges and then you can make a crease. And you do the same thing over here. So we can just align the edges, and then this point will end up being right there. So just pull that down, and you can just make a crease as soon as it aligns. Now we're going to take these two top points and we're going to fold them down. So let's start with this top left point, and we're just going to fold it down until it hits this edge here. So let's just pull it down. And when it's about here, then we'll make our crease. And you do the same thing over here. So we're just bringing this tip down to about there. And then just make a crease. And it'll look like this. Once you've done that, then your model is complete.